one of the things that I wanted to talk about this specific carpet, this is a woven tapestry of a master's carpet and dates from probably around the 1960s, give or take. Theoretically, we could still use this master's carpet in a modern lecture in a lodge. As a matter of fact, this has been taken upstairs a few times, and the brother that is in charge of doing the master's carpet lecture often points to the different symbols as he's giving his lecture.
So this would be used in lieu of some of the slides that we looked at before and things like that?
Exactly, because as technology evolved, we had the access to, now we use PowerPoints. We did the magic lantern video not too long ago, and those were kind of replacements, more technological replacements for the old master's carpets. You know, there is some legends that some of these master's carpets were actually drawn, lodges were drawn in chalk on the floor of a room, and the master's carpet would be drawn on there as well, or the symbols from the master's carpet would be drawn on as well. It's a lot easier just to unroll a tapestry or unroll a poster than to have to draw it out every single time.
Yeah. Do they still call it a carpet lecture even if they're using a PowerPoint?
Yep, it's actually specifically called the Master's Carpet Lecture.
Oh, cool.
And so if somebody's saying, hey, who's got the Master's Carpet Lecture tonight, you know exactly what it is. It's part of that degree that somebody, if they're good enough at it, will have the whole thing memorized.
Oh, wow.